was so painful. It doesn't look half as bad as it felt. We both snored. We both kept each other awake with our snoring last night. So Nadia came down onto the couch downstairs, put her ears, she puts these fucking earpods in her ears these days, and she was snoring, and then I was calling down. We were going to go join everyone for a walk at like 6 o'clock or something this morning. We were just so tired, we couldn't do it. But I was calling down, and of course she was snoring downstairs, and I couldn't shake her, so she didn't stop. It's just like it's like a torment. It's like a torment.
Have you drunk water?
Just look,
you can't sweat for
babe, I'd work differently to you. Just tell on the subs the interminable hell-like torture of your snoring from above the ground.
Well, I've filmed you snoring, Mark. I filmed you.
Well, darling, that's nice. Given that you snore every night and I haven't, just because I haven't been bothered, doesn't mean you've got the only proof.
It's like Kiki said. Does Daddy realise he snores like you do?
See, I don't, but it doesn't bother you. You sleep through it more often.
I didn't sleep yesterday.
Well, neither did I, and I couldn't nudge you from up there because you were down here. Come on, we're going to be late.
All right, Danny, I can't go any faster than I am.
You can.
I can't.
You can. You can move faster than that.
I don't know what I'm wearing. If I don't wear something I'm comfortable in, I hate my lessons.
Zen coupleness. Zen couple. How do you think today's is going to go? Quite an emotional one yesterday.
I don't know, because I don't know if I've got on what I want to wear.
Oh, don't blame it all on me.
No, I've made it.
You sure?
What song is that about? Why are you talking like that? Can we go this way in case my pants are on here?
Your pants?
Oh, I've lost a whole load of
Yeah.
stuff in the balcony.
Well, it was blowing a complete storm last night.
Yeah.
It'd be funny if the gardener's mowing the lawn with them on his head.
Well, there's my brace as well somehow, didn't it?
So someone's got your teeth in.
Got
Where's that cat's got your teeth in?
Someone's got my pants.
So what did we miss this morning?
So we were supposed to go on a walk this morning that we were really excited about. We had such a bad night's sleep. It was actually painful, the idea of getting up. So we thought, why are we doing this to ourselves? Let's see. This is my notes. Oh, can you see photos? Be good for us. So the sun on me. Sun on me? This way?
Yeah.
Want to go there? This is how keen Mark is. There he is, waiting for his yoga class. There's the class with no one in it. Because he's such a good student.
Where is everyone?
Still walking back. See, he made me rush out and I knew I had loads of time. Because we only have one yoga session today, the rest of the day is off, and we are heading to, well, it's a lovely little cove beachy place, Mark, and there's going to be a bit of a surprise for you when we get there.
Right, okay, well I'm taking us via somewhere else. I'm taking us to the place, the space, the time, the space.
Which is like a mini
The life, the
Stonehenge,
space. Apparently it's built by a hippie or something. I don't think it's old, but I think it reflects the astrological chart in the sky. I think it reflects the solar system.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going. And then, yeah.
Did you bring a t-shirt with the long arms in case you're inside for too long?
It's in my bag. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to talk about yoga this morning. It was
Let's
a
do that
short
somewhere
yoga, wasn't it?
pretty.
Yeah.
So we just love this. This is our bumpy drive. But look at the view at the end of it. Our rock, that is, Mark. It's not anyone else's rock.
recycling though, aren't they? Better than us.
And there's our bins. Instagram versus reality. It's a bit annoying about that crane. Could we move the crane out of the way, please? Instagram versus reality. Hang on, let me put it there. No, you don't see it. Oh, bins. Gone wrong. Why have you gone wrong? This isn't allowed, Mark. Very confusing. We're on our way back down to NADIA. Smile a bit. Ah! Jesus, Mark.
Smile a bit. What's
Yeah.
the fucking
You
bus
look
is
like a
coming
miserable
towards me?
bastard.
We nearly died.
Well, that was before we nearly died.
We're in the middle of a scrubland. Look to that direction.
This is the car park.
This is the car park.
You wouldn't believe what we've just been through. All the little twists and
This is the
turns
car
with
park.
parks everywhere. With cars parked everywhere. It's
It's
strangest
not their side mirror.
car park.
I'm not entirely certain that if we park, we're going to be able to get out. It feels. So are we near Escondido?
Oh, I don't know where we are. I'm starting to wish we'd just stayed by the bloody pool.
Yeah, we tried
There's
to
a
find.
lot of people. There are hundreds of people here. Hundreds and hundreds, and it's only the morning. So what's it going to end up like?
What do we do? What do we do? Do we go down just for?
Yeah. We've driven all this way. We're definitely going to have a look. Might be beautiful.
Where do I park?
I don't know. It's the strangest place.
It's like there's no organisation to it whatsoever. Do I go back this way and park this way?
Does it alarm you how many people there are?
Yes.
Definitely go left. Do you want to go right?
What do
Go
you mean?
away from the beach. Do you want to go right?
I know, but we don't want to go back in,
Yeah, we
do
do.
we?
Of course we do. Do you want to go all the way up
Fucking hell.
there? We'll be walking for an hour before we get to the beach.
We couldn't. We tried to find the place, the time, the space, the time, or whatever it's called, and we ended up in some woman's courtyard. That didn't work. The GPS ain't working at all.
Highly unsuccessful morning.
Sorry.
And I'm feeling proper old-fashioned car sick like when I was a kid because so many twirly roads. Just feel sick, just like. Oh look, just like there's a man who's trying to organise people.
There is no organisation.
Good luck with that, mate.
Nothing about this makes any sense, and now I've got a fucking van coming towards me.
So look, isn't this the weirdest car park, folks? Look.
People are just pulling up and just pulling up. Oh my god, it's like, and then there are people just wandering. So, I don't get any sense of how ramshackle and random this place is. So anyway, there's lots of pathways leading off it into the pine forest. So we're going to just follow one. This reminds me a little bit of those American national parks. Do you remember at Grand Canyon it was a little bit like this? Just pulled up. I think the sea's beyond there, Nads. God, this is French Foreign Legion, this. You're right. Feel sick. I had that on the way to the airport. Can't even see my lens, it's so bright. So here we go. We're going to remember where the hell we are. How are we going to remember? Let me try and work out a landmark.
Well, we're fairly close to where the entrance is. So
Yeah,
it's like the
that's
third
us
left.
there, isn't it?
I think it's the third left, second left after the entrance.
Yeah. Imagine us not finding our car later.
No, I don't.
You don't seem very happy.
I just feel sick. I don't have to.
In a minute you're going to get a wow factor.
I know. Sorry.
Don't push.
Let me use jewelry for you. Pregnant.
Yeah. Oh, don't.
Wow. There you go.
What?
There's the sea. What do you mean, what?
Can't really see it.
There's the sea. Oh, I can see actually boats. Bella. I'm just annoyed there's so many people here. I had in my head that it was going to be a quiet little place.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what the guide told us.
When you put in Escondido on the map, we're on top of it.
This is it. This is a nudist beach. That was my surprise for you. You're going nude.
What? I am not going nude.
No, you're doing a 5 minutes nudity.
Look over here.
Run into the water nude.
Oh, look at the colour, Nabs. This is what
No,
Kiki loves. Look at this. Look at the colour. Oh my God. Oh my word.
Show that to Kiki.
Oh wow. Look. Oh yeah, no, it is nudist. It is nudist. Look, there's someone down there nude. I know.
That's what Tori meant when she said find yourself a little rock. She knew there was going to be nowhere for us to sit.
No. Look at that.
Nudist beach. I told Mark you had to go nude today. You've got to go nude.
Can I just ask, how do they stop their dicks going up?
Marched. Tea towel with you.
Oh.
You must have known somehow, some way you were going to need a loincloth.
Yeah, that'll about cover my left testicle.
Come on, why don't you do it? Why don't you just go and to nude?
No.
Just do it. It'll be good for body confidence. Just do it. Do it today. No. But nobody gives a shit.
I do.
Nobody's going to look at your penis and think anything of it.
I am.
Just. Are we going to get a bloody selfie here or what? I mean, come on. Don't go too close to the edge. This sounds idiot. Still selfie die all the time.
See, my problem with going nude is I wouldn't know. The wind would make it go up. Would you?
Look, you see that flat bit there?
Yeah.
Show the subs. Look, that's just one person lay out there. We've got nice light.
So that old man there is looking at his penis. He is. Yeah.
We don't have to look at it. He's looking at it because I mean we've got to look at
No,
it.
but you get his
Or
head.
what if he said he comes
top-
back up the
yeah,
top like that?
exactly. And his penis is as shiny as his head. Look, there he goes. Look.
Oh no, I can't have a bum in my face. Not while I'm reading my book.
What do you mean you had one last night?
Mark, shut up. Sending this to you so that so you can't go overhead because it would be too painful for you. But now we're home, we can show you this, and this is going to be all of us in Greece. Wish you were here.
So explain.
We're just giving up, guys.
It's literally like a space about the size of a 5p piece to go and sit.
Coach, we've just spent half an hour trying to look for somewhere that we might be able to perch. And I said to Mark, they like it. He said, no.
No, I was doing the classic thing
So
of keeping
should we
quiet
go?
for fear of being called a killjoy.
No, because it was just like, I thought you were going to say it and you didn't say it. I mean, don't get me wrong, if it wasn't busy, my God, it's the most beautiful
No, it's
spot.
idyllic and a brilliant
And you
spot
can
for a
see how the
sunset. You can see why the sunset would be amazing.
But, you know,
just
I just
thousands
don't
of
like
people.
that amount of people.
It's like Maggie Lou.
Thousands, and they're still arriving, so
Yeah.
it's not going to get any better.
How they can all keep squeezing it? Oh no, we've got to find
So
our
we're cutting
car.
our losses. God, we've lost hours of sunbathing weather now.
And
hours.
we might have lost our car as well.
So basically, our day off, and we've wasted 3 hours driving around, trying to find somewhere to sit. And now we're just going to go back to the hotel, lie by the pool, then go for a swim at sort of 5 o'clock-ish when we think it will all have quietened down everywhere. Then have a bit of dinner by the beach. And then we're going to be doing a live in the members area to tell them all where we've been, because we've been hiding away.
Escondido.
We're really glad we went there because it was
Escondido.
absolutely stunning. And if I was to go there again, I would go early morning, probably stay till about 11 to 12 till the crowds come. And that's what I would recommend. But we're now back at the hotel. We've made that decision. We're going to stop chasing rainbows, come here, have some lunch, read our book, fall asleep by the pool, and then go back to Sawalha-Adderleys,
Where the jellyfish were.
where the jellyfish were, have a 5 o'clock swim, have a bit of dinner.
Do a live with you
and
guys.
do a live. Perfect.
So we're going to go to Escondido and you're going to go nude tomorrow.
Yeah, go early enough.
Yeah, why don't we go really early? Morning glory.
You gonna get in? Huh?
Yeah.
You'll feel better. You really will feel better. One of my favourite things, look, by the pool, spaghetti by the pool. It reminds me of being a kid. We always have spaghetti on holiday.
Spaghetti, is it?
Tomato and garlic.
It's normal. Mama spaghetti.
Mama spaghetti.
It's very summery. So we're off now to go and do
Alive?
a members live. She's very irritable. What's wrong with you? Yeah. Why are you so irritable? Why are you so irritable?
It's just I can't hear.
Hey? God, it's suddenly very hot. So we're thinking of going down to Cabo. The reason I remember it is because it's about carbs. She shouldn't eat carbs. So get in the car and we're heading down. And I'm going to try and unlock the car with my key, my fish key. No. Coming up. Oh, we could start the live like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea. What do you mean the
So
other
we're
way?
taking it on the
Ah, yeah, okay.
start over there.
So we're just about to go live. So sorry, I was just recording us come up the top of these stairs. You'll see it in the live. What happened straight after the live?
It's so slippery.
Is it rocks?
Huh?
Is it rocks you're on?
No, it's really weird. It's like
You're alright, babe. This isn't how they do it in Bond.
there's no concrete there.
Oh, it is a concrete slab.
Yeah, but it's slippery. I
can't get any. I don't understand what's going on. I literally don't understand. You're trying to roll.
Literally.
Only because you laugh. Why you look like you're crawling out of quick.
Hey, pull me back. I'm like a beach snail.
Come on. I don't understand the problem. I don't want to slide in as well. No, you're going to... Too much expectation.
It's a strange old day.
It's so strange.
Isn't that a weird day?
So
I think
strange.
because we were planned to do
Because it
certain
was
things.
a day off and we were headed off with vim and vigour to go and do all sorts of
Then
things.
I loved just being by the pool. It was so nice, and then that was really nice doing the live, having a little
Yeah, that was
surprise
lovely.
dip in the sea
Yeah.
at 20 to 9 in the evening.
Yeah, that was nice.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
I've got in the sea every day since we've been here.
Yeah, that's true actually. I haven't.
So now we're going to go and try and find a spa.
Spa. Can we get
some bread and pate?
Should we get some Nutella? Just eat what we want. Oh, I just want to eat whatever I want to eat.
You can eat whatever you want.
I don't know if I want gambas anymore. I've overdone the gambas.
Doing nice curry.
Yeah, I've overdone the gambas. All right, oh dear, babe, we're lactating again.
See this.
We've driven along really windy roads to the point that they were so windy and the sun was setting that we were talking about we won't go in a car together again because we haven't done a will. That was how windy they were. So we've gone down all these windy roads, pulled in to get possibly the most beautiful view ever, yeah?
Yeah, I've got a glass of wine. I'm literally just sitting here taking in the vista. It was an accident, but we found it and it's just stunning.
It really is, it's beautiful. For sure. Yeah.
Roadside cafe.
Next to the supermercado that was closed.
Drove for miles with the supermercado, that was shut. But who knows, we might have the best food we've ever had.
Got a Hawaiian umbrella.
I've ordered a burger and fries.
Yeah, I was going to order a Hawaiian.
Did you order a Hawaiian?
No, I went for the 4 cheeses. Is it a bit much? A bit rich?
Well, you like
Quattro quesos.
that?
Smells so nice. Funniest thing was this morning. What happened?
This is a very, very personal story. This is a very intimate story.
Let me just take in the scenery once again.
As you know, we have a balcony bedroom.
Yeah.
And I'd come in downstairs and I said to Mark, how about, because I was worrying because we were going to go to the beach, I said, how about we buy one of those small umbrellas and put them on the beach, because it's cheaper still than buying 2 beds in case there's no beds with umbrellas, because he's English and he burns. And he had no idea, but I could see him as clear as anything up on the balcony. So he had his back to me, but he was like hopping into his trunks and like he went, oh, don't be so ridiculous, buy an umbrella. And he was like hopping, and I was just looking pure at his balls, and they were like, it was like bouncing with rage. And then he tried to make out he wasn't angry. I said, you can't say that because I've just watched right eyeful. Don't be so. And he was hopping. It was like hopping mad, proper hopping mad. What a cock. I think we've sworn too much. I've noticed that every single bit of film that we've done, we've sworn.
Well, fuck.
We take us to the best
We
places.
just pause here. Look at all the beautiful colours behind us. Look. You'll be forgiven for thinking this is actually on a street corner. The zebra crossing.
You liked your Hawaiian pizza.
But
So it was all right in
yeah.
a sort of reconstituted.
No, my
beef
4 cheeses
sort of way.
pizza was
I wasn't
wonderful.
going to eat it, and then I thought they haven't got BSC here. I'll eat it.
Yeah, it was really nice in a sort of plastic way.
Wow, look at the sky, guys. Oh, I've just lost it. There it is. Oh, are we lost?
I missed my turning.
And it's dark.